If you notice your phone's battery draining unusually fast after the latest update, don't worry, you're not alone. The update is indeed putting extra pressure on the battery due to system changes and new AI services running constantly in the background. But don't wait for the next update to fix it. The solution is in your hands right now. 1. Clear the cache partition. Turn off your phone completely. Press and hold the Power Plus Volume Up buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Select Wipe Cache Partition using the Volume button, then press Yes. After that, choose Reboot System Now. This removes leftover system files that may be consuming extra power. 2. Turn off background services draining the battery. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. More privacy settings. Turn off Personal Data Intelligence. This is temporary. You can re-enable it after a week. And then go back to Settings. Device Care. Battery. Battery usage, and check which apps consume the most power. Close them or put them into sleep mode. 3. Reduce processor load. Go to Settings, Display. If you have the screen refresh rate option, set it to 60 Hz instead of 120 Hz. If that option isn't available, like on the A24, no problem. Then open Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks. If you're not in a strong coverage area, stick to 4G instead of 5G. 4. Use Smart Power Saving Mode. Go to Settings, Battery, Power Saving Mode. Make sure Limit CPU Speed is enabled. 5. Turn off what you don't need. Location set to while using the app only. Bluetooth. Turn it off when not using headphones. NFC and Wi-Fi. Scanning. Disable them from advanced connection settings. If the battery still drains fast after all these steps, make a backup and perform a factory reset. This completely removes any remnants of the old system and restores normal battery performance. After applying these steps, the battery should stabilize within about 48 hours. You'll notice lower temperature, longer screen on time, and a significant improvement by the second or third day. See you next video.